Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to stop Telegram notifications on screen, so you can enjoy a distraction-free experience. This is a simple process, and you'll have it done in just a few moments. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen, or if not, you can swipe up and open the app's drawer to locate it. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Apps option, then tap on it to open the list. This section allows you to manage all the applications installed on your phone, from system apps to third-party apps like Telegram. Step 3. Here you will see a complete list of all available apps on your device. You can scroll down manually or use the search bar at the top to type in the word Telegram. Once you see Telegram in the results, tap on it to open its app settings. Step 4. Inside Telegram's settings menu, locate the notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can control how Telegram sends alerts, whether it's sound, vibration, or pop-up notifications on your screen. Step 5. Here you will see several notification settings. Look for the options labeled Lock Screen and Notifications Pop-up. If these options are currently enabled, it means Telegram messages will keep appearing on your screen. Simply tap to turn both of them off, and your phone will automatically stop showing Telegram notifications on the screen. And that's it. You have now successfully stopped Telegram notifications from popping up on your display. From now on, you can open the app to check messages whenever you want without being interrupted. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.